Hello, how are you? I think that you are very well. So today I'm going to read the text of chapter 6, text education systems in Canada. In Canada, each province is responsible for its own education system. In general, there are three levels of education system in Canada: kindergarten to grade 8, grade 9 to grade 12, and post-secondary education. Kindergarten may further be divided to junior and senior kindergarten for 4 and 5-year-old children, respectively. Grade 9 to 12 students are enrolled in a secondary school system. Post-secondary education system in Canada includes universities, community college, and university college, and other private institutes providing post-secondary education such as skills training and continuing education. A university is a standalone degree-granting institution that offers certificates, diploma, and bachelor or master or PhD degree. There are about 50 universities throughout the country, most of which are publicly funded institutions. Some of the most recognized universities include the University of Toronto, McGill University, the University of British Columbia, and Queen's University. A community college offers a variety of programs for students who want to learn technological skills that they can apply to the real world quickly. These programs are usually 1 or 2 years in length, emphasizing hands-on experience in classroom setting. It grants certificates and diploma and offers a variety of training courses for people who want to upgrade themselves with the current market and new technologies. A university college, as the name implies, is somewhat in between a community college and a university. This type of institution is common in British Columbia, the most western province in Canada. It grants certificate and diploma by itself. However, it is not able to grant university degrees alone, although it often offers all the courses required for a university degree. The curriculum for a degree program is usually designed in conjunction with a university, which actually grants degrees to the university college students. Now I'm going to answer questions. Task 1. The word kindergarten is the closest in meaning to preschool. The word setting is closest in meaning to environment. The phrase in conjunction with is closest in meaning to in a collaboration with. Task 2. What are the level of education system in Canada? The three levels are kindergarten to grade 8, grade 9 to grade 12, and post-secondary education. How does each level of education system in Canada differ from the others? The first level focuses on early childhood and basic education. The secondary level prepares students for adulthood or further study. The post-secondary level is the most specialized, offering technological skills at community college or academic degree at university. What are the famous Canadian university mentioned on the passage? The passage mentions the University of Toronto, McGill University, the University of British Columbia, and King's University. In a free sentence, compare the education system of your country to the one in the passage. In my country follow a similar structure of primary, secondary, and tertiary level like Canada. However, while Canada gives provinces responsibility of education, my country have a single national curriculum for everyone. Also, in my country, the practice is not a priority. Thank you for your follow. Bye bye.